Okay, so we are at Milton, and we're going to hike into Hilton Falls. And I was here, I don't know, 3 or 4 years ago in the summer, but now it's winter. We're going to hike in. I forgot my tripod. I can't believe I forgot my tripod. Okay, so we're hiking into Hilton Falls, and I forgot my tripod at home. So we're going to be doing waterfall pictures with no tripod. That should be interesting. In a bit of a pine forest on the way into the falls. It's pretty nice in here. I think it's supposed to be like -5 is the high today, but I'm in the trees, I'm in the forest, and there's no wind. So it's really nice. This place has firewood in here at the falls. So you can actually have a little fire and a picnic right by the falls. It's pretty cool. The lady just at the gate just said to be careful because they had a thaw. Yeah, yesterday I think was +5 and today's -5. So yeah, 10-degree difference. But it should make for interesting pictures at the falls. I'm gonna have to find a flat rock or something to place my tripod on. Whatever works, right? Maybe I'll take my backpack and lay it on a rock and put my camera on that. Okay, so I'm at the bottom of Hilton Falls, and no tripod. I managed to get some pictures without a tripod. I don't know how they'll turn out, but we'll see. And this is a gorgeous spot. Oh, I just went through. Beautiful. Awesome spot, really nice spot. Just the other side of Milton. We're just outside of Milton, and there's a bunch of conservation areas right here on the Niagara Escarpment, right where it crosses the 401, and Rattlesnake Point's here too. We're gonna have to save that for another day because I don't have enough time to do Rattlesnake Point. Keslow's here. It's just a wonderful spot. If I could move to Milton or somewhere close to Milton, great spot, but there's where we came down. Those stairs, the dogs are freaking because I'm down here. Why'd you guys go back? You crazy fools. Hilton Falls on the Niagara Escarpment. Pretty cool. That's cool. Falls Conservation Area, and it's well worth it. Whoa! So this is the top of the falls. Bruce Trail, side trail. Oh. Waterfalls are down there. And there's wood there if you want to have a fire. It's a pretty cool spot. They use it for cross-country skiing as well. So I'm sure lots of people take advantage of the wood piles. There's no fire today, but I think the last time I was in here there was a fire. So it's pretty cool. It would be great to come in here. It's not a long hike, 20 minutes maybe, and then yeah, picnic tables. It's a great little spot. So it's snowing pretty good. I didn't think it was supposed to snow today. And I gotta put the dogs on the leash. It's